Namaste, this is Pedagogy of Chemistry class, and today I tell you about the general and specific aims of teaching chemistry at senior secondary level. So these are the important learning objective of teaching chemistry, including this. First objective to teaching chemistry is scientific reasoning and quantitative analysis. Our measures will be able to apply chemical concepts to solve quantitative and qualitative problems. They will gain proficiency in logical deduction skills through writing problems and laboratory works. They will identify problems and generate hypotheses, develop and implement experimental methods to test their hypothesis and analyze and interpret the resulting data. Next objective of teaching chemistry is laboratory practice and safety. In order to learn the ways in which new scientific knowledge is created, our majors will experience how chemists interpret chemical and physical phenomena through experimental investigations. They will develop and apply the appropriate lab skills and instrumentation to solve chemical problems while recognizing the uncertainties, the errors in experimental measurements. Our major will understand the concepts of safe laboratory practices. They will learn how to dispose the waste appropriately, how to comply with safety regulations, and how to recognize and minimize hazards in laboratories. The third objective to teaching chemistry is chemical information and literature skills. Our majors will be able to use chemical databases and retrieve peer-reviewed scientific literature. They will be able to evaluate critically chemistry-related information from a variety of sources. In this regard, the next aim or objective of teaching chemistry is communication skills. Our majors will gain facility in both written and verbal communication. They will be able to present information in a clear and effective manner, write reports in a scientific style, and use appropriate technology in their communication. They will be able to work effectively in a diverse group to solve scientific problems. Next objective of teaching chemistry is impact and applications. Our majors will have access to a broad education in chemistry, including the opportunities to complete a major approved by the American Chemical Society. They will understand how chemical principles are applied to address current problems in a variety of fields, and they will have the background to understand the impact of chemistry on society, both locally and globally. They will understand ethical scientific behavior, including its application to their work as prescribed by the college honor code. So these are the objectives of teaching chemistry. Hope you understand about these objectives and the importance of chemistry. These includes both general and specific aims of chemistry at senior secondary level. So thank you so much.